Hello students, today we are learning about geography. In geography, we are learning about longitudes and time calculation. Let's go. Today we are going to learn about longitudes, longitude and time, local time and standard time. So the basic term, what is longitude? So a longitude is an angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. You might think, what is prime meridian? The prime meridian is nothing but the line of longitude passes through Greenwich near London. To explain it to you in detail, I drew a globe. It is not perfect, don't mind. So this red line is one of the longitude and is called prime meridian. This prime meridian, it crosses Greenwich at London. So this prime meridian here is Greenwich near London. This prime meridian passes through the Greenwich near London. And the value of this prime meridian is 0 degrees. The west of the prime meridian are all the longitudes are known as west longitudes. The east of prime meridian, all the longitudes are called as east longitudes. So now coming to the longitudes, a longitude is an angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. As I told you, east or west of the prime meridian are all called as west longitudes and east longitudes. There are total 360 longitudes with one interval. So the globe is surrounded by 360 longitudes with one each degree of interval between each other. And the lines of longitudes are also called as meridians of longitude. The word meridians of longitude derived from a Latin word meridianum. And the word meridianum means noon. And now, since the prime meridian is defined as 0 degrees, and as it divides the earth into half, there are total 360 longitudes. Now, the prime meridian divides the earth into half. So, 360 divided by 2. And now we get 180 degrees. So, 180 degrees west longitudes and 180 degrees east longitudes. And it can be also written as 1 degree minus 179 degree, 2 degree minus 178 degree, 6 degree minus 120 degree, and so on. All the longitudes form semicircle, and two diametrically opposite lines make a full circle, also known as a great circle. Here you can see the front side of the earth and behind the earth. I know it looks like a watermelon, but here you can see that this is the prime meridian and that is the prime meridian. These are the west longitudes and these are the east longitudes. Now this is the front side and that is the behind of the earth. This continues and comes to the behind and forms a great circle. Now the earth is like this and this side comes to the same longitude, west and east. So this forms a great circle. And one most important point is that 1 degree is equal to 111 kilometers. And one more point is that since 1 degree is equals to 111 kilometers, 1 degree is also counted as 4 minutes. Same thing coming to the Indian Standard Time, Mumbai and Delhi. Near Mumbai, let's take as 73 degrees and it's 12 noon. And near Delhi, it is, now near Delhi, 77 degrees, east is equals to how much? Since 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes, 77 minus 73 equals 4. 4 into 4. 4 minutes and 4 degrees longitude east is 16 minutes. So it's past 16 minutes in New Delhi at 12 noon. So it's 12 at Mumbai and 12:16 at Delhi. As I told you before, the prime meridian passes through the Greenwich near London. So the Greenwich meridian time, and also known as Greenwich mean time, is 0. For example, you can see here GMT means Greenwich mean time, and near Greenwich mean time it's 9 p.m. So in Greenwich it is 9 p.m. So what is 20 degrees east time will be? Since GMT is equals to 0 degrees and 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes, now let's calculate the time near 20 degrees east. So as you can see there, 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes. So near 20 degrees east, 4 into 20 is 80 minutes. 80 minutes convert into hours, it is 1 hour 20 minutes. So we had 9 p.m. plus 1 hour 20 minutes is 10:20 p.m. That's how you calculate the time. So next question we can see the Greenwich Mean Time is 6 a.m. Now let's calculate 64 degrees west. Now here comes the twist. Before we calculated 20 degrees east, now it comes to west. And you know that prime meridian is in the middle. So before we did east, the prime meridian is in the middle in our view and east is right side of it. And you know the sun comes from east to west, which is this. So east to west is nothing but the earth rotates in anti-clockwise, which is also called as counterclockwise. Now we are calculating west, which means we have to subtract the time from the Greenwich Mean Time. Before we did addition, which is from east, and now we are doing west and we have to subtract the time. So here this is a place, for example say something Spain or something, I don't know properly. And now east, which means ahead of the prime meridian, which is the GMT. So you have to add. Now we are calculating the west longitude, so you have to subtract, which is behind of the prime meridian. So that is the reason that we have to subtract when we have to calculate the time from the GMT to the west of the longitudes. So as you know, 1 degree is 4 minutes and 4 into 64 is nothing but 256 minutes. Convert this into hours, we get 16 minutes. Now we have to not adding. If we add, we get 10 hours 16 minutes. But we have to subtract. So we get 2 hours 44 minutes, which is AM. So 64th degree west longitude is behind of 4 hours 16 minutes from the prime meridian. So this is all about longitudes, GMT and calculation of time. Hope you all learned and enjoyed the video. This is the first video I'm uploading in my YouTube channel. So please make sure to subscribe if you have understood or liked the video. If you have any doubts, please comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe the video. And don't be selfish. Share it to your friends so they can learn too. Thank you students. Bye bye.